a mixed farming area in southern New South Wales. 20 years of wheat and canola, and then we've gone back to the barley and legumes. But if we have any sort of reasonable year, we haven't got enough storage because we're growing more feed grains at the moment. And then we're looking to store some of the non-food grains, I guess. We went through grain storage in the early days when I was young, and then we've gone out of it, and it was just easy to run it to town and slide it across a computer screen to sell it, and very easy to market. In the past, we've had bagging systems. The problem with the bagging system was it was a bit more short term. We've gone more fixed storage system. We've got a processing plant close by and tend to pay port prices, so the in and out costs, $15, that's creeping up a bit, but the market will probably pay us $20 if we don't use it. We can put this storage up for half that price. So these things are costing us $10.30 a tonne is what it's costing us per year. Tax breaks and low interest loans, there's a whole range of things going on at the moment which makes the numbers pretty good. Our view is it was sort of like a once in a generation or once in a lifetime thing where it'd be silly if we didn't take advantage of it. And we're in the process of building an outloading system that'll join all these together, and we can blend or outload. So the control system's allowed for covering for 3 elevators and an aeration system, and it runs the whole lot. Well, we've got a couple here with barley and we've got one with wheat in, so we've got 3 of the 4 we filled. And we've gone into mid-size storage. Like these are like high 8s to 900 tonnes storage. We could have put in double that. This stuff works, and the engineer build on them, like I see, it's solid. And it was more that the people doing it. They organised the lot for us, so we didn't need to go and organise builders for bases or anything. They were punctual on their quoting and what they said they were going to do, and they stuck to their timelines. The product of the brand's fine, and it's also the local firms who actually erect them, and they're beefing up a bit more of the outloading systems, which is a bit of longevity and that stuff, or a bit more longevity was what we were after. Yeah, and we found it really good, the whole experience.